Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to configure remote access VPN in Cisco ASA Firewall. So friends, you can see this is my topology here. This is my ASA Firewall. Okay, this is my ASA Firewall and this is my outside interface here. Outside, and this is my inside. Inside we have two interface, admin and sales. VLAN 10 is admin group and VLAN 20 sales group. You can see here is my name is sales and admin and sales. I have created sub interface 0.10 and 0.20 for VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Okay, this is my VLAN 10 network 172.16.10.0 and VLAN 20 network is 172.16.20.0. Okay, so you can see here I have configured here. This is my admin server and this is sales server. So what I have to achieve today, when user PC, this is my user PC, external network connected with internet. Okay, so from this PC I will connect remote VPN. Okay, and we have a two tunnel, admin and sales. When I connect with admin group, then it should be connected to this network, reachable to this network, and when I connect to sales group, it should be reached to this network, this server, sales server and admin server. So let's see. I have already configured. So first of all, let me show you what I'm going to achieve today. Let's go to user PC. Okay, this is my user PC here. You can see, and let's connect to Cisco AnyConnect. Click here and you can see my firewall outside interface IP 1.100. Connect here, connect anyway. Now here you will see two group, admin and sales. First we will connect with admin group. Okay, now user ID is for admin group, user ID is Cisco and password here. Okay, now it's connecting. Okay, establish connected. So let's go to CMD. So let's check IP address here. You can see for admin group IP address is 1.1. Okay, let's try to ping our sales server. Now let's try to ping admin server. Okay, now we will ping this server. Let's see able to ping or not. 22.16 1.10.10 able to ping. Now I am able to reachable. Let's telnet 172.16.10.10. Yes, I am able to telnet. You can see. Okay, so let's see. I'm able to reach sales group. It should not be ping. You can see not able to reach to sales group. Okay, because I have connected with admin group. Now I will connect with sales group and I should reach, then user PC should reach to this IP. Now disconnect here and connect with sales group. Now connect to, now we have to connect to sales group. Now type sales user. Now log in here. Now you can see I'm able to connect here. So now you will see connected. Now let's check IP config, IP address. So now IP address is changed 2.1. Okay, now let's check if I able to ping. Now I should able to ping this IP 172 IP 20.10. Now you can see I'm able to ping here. From this PC I'm able to ping this IP cell server. Okay. So friends, you have seen what I have to achieve. So let's go for configuration here. So I'm going to erase all the configuration from our firewall. Now I'm going to factory default, configure factory default. I will delete all the configuration. Okay. Now friends, I have configured its interfaces. Let me show you. Okay. Let me show you. I have configured these interfaces for VLAN 10, VLAN 20. I have configured sub interfaces. Okay. You can see my topology 0.10 and 0.20. Now we will configure remote access VPN. First we will create IPSEC policy crypto IQ1 policy 10. Now we will assign fashion parameter like authentication method will be pre-shared and hashing method will be MD5 and encryption method will be encryption will be 3DS. Okay, and group will be 2. Okay, lifetime 86400 1 day. Now we have created fashion parameters. Now we will create IP pool. Second step, we will define pool for local pool for our admin group. So admin group name, admin pool will be 10.1.1.1 to 10.1.1.254. Okay, mask 255/24. Now define pool for sales group, local pool, sales pool 20.1 to 20.1.1.254 mask /24. Now we'll create. Third step is create tunnel group. Tunnel group, admin group, type remote access. Now again create tunnel group for sales group. Sales group, type remote access. Now go. Now we have to map pool in tunnel group. So go to tunnel group attributes, tunnel group admin group general attribute. Okay, address pool, we have to map pool here, admin pool. Now go to sales group. Now go to sales tunnel group, sales group, general attributes. Okay, define address pool will be sales pool. Now we have to map. Now we have to define IPSEC attribute on tunnel group. Go to tunnel group, admin group, IPSEC attribute, I key version 1, preset key, Cisco 123. Now again go to tunnel group, sales group, IPSEC attribute, I key version 1, preset key Cisco 123. So we have defined IJCAM attributes, general attributes, and IPSEC attributes here. Now we have to create transform site here, create crypto map IPSEC, configure phase 2 configuration here, crypto IPSEC IK version 1, transform set name tset, and ESP authentication with 3DS and ESP 25 HMAC. Okay, now create here crypto map, dynamic map, crypto dynamic map, dmap number 10, then set transform set, IK version 1 transform set tset. Okay, now we have to create crypto map cmap 10 IPSEC IJCAM dynamic map. Now map dynamic map here, dmap, which you have configured. Okay, now we have to call crypto map on outside interface, cmap interface outside. Now enable IJCAM icon, enable outside. Okay, now we have achieved this. Now we have to create net policy. For net policy, we have to map our pool IP address to actual LAN IP address. Okay, so you can see here is my pool for VLAN 10. My pool is 10.1.1.0, and for VLAN 20 pool is 20.1.1.0. So we have to create net for this IP to this one. Okay, and this one should be translated to this one. Okay, so let's see how to create net. So first of all, we will create objects here. Object network admin network subnet 172.16.10.0. Okay, now create subnet for admin pool subnet 10.1.1.0 255.0. Now create net admin to outside, source static admin net, and destination will be, what about destination? Static, what will be? Pool. Okay, admin pool, admin twice net pool. So we have created net here for admin group. Now we'll create for sales group. So let's create object first. Object network sales net subnet 172.16.20.0. Okay, exit. Object network cells pool subnet 20.1.1.0. Now NAT cells to outside source static cells net cells net destination will be static cells pool cells pool. Now we have created net for, let's check history. So we have created net for our sales group and admin group. Okay, now we will create ACL for standard ACL allow source IP address. Admin ACL. Okay, for admin group standard will allow source permit or source IP will be 16.10.0. Now access list for sales group sales ACL standard permit 172.16.20.0 255.258.0. Now we have created ACL here. Now we have to create group policy admin policy internal. Okay, group policy admin policy attributes. Okay, in this group policy attributes we have to define here DNS server, default domain name, banners, backup server address pool, like this. Okay, so just define here DNS server. What will be your DNS server value IP address of your, you can give IP address of router, domain name tech.com. Okay, so now we have to create group policy for group policy sales policy, group policy sales policy and internal. Now go to group policy sales policy attributes. Okay, now define here domain name DNS server value 172.16.20.10. domain name, you can assign domain name ab.com, anything. Okay, now we have to create username admin, password admin, username admin attributes, username admin attributes, group policy, VPN group policy admin policy admin policy, VPN group policy, admin policy. Okay, tunnel VPN tunnel protocol, SSL client, SSL clientless. Okay, now create username for sales, password sales. Now username sales attribute. Now we have to define VPN group policy, sales policy, okay, VPN tunnel clientless, SSL client and SSL clientless. Okay, we have to define tunnel group admin group, web VPN attribute group li admin enable group enable. Okay, now tunnel group sales group web VPN attributes group li sales group enable. Okay, now it's done. We have to enable web VPN, enable outside, then any connect, image, disk, any connect. Okay, now any connect enable. So now we have to enable this option, tunnel group list enable. Okay, now save here. Now go to user PC. This is my user PC. I will connect with 192.168.1.100. Click on connect. Now click on connect anyway. It's showing warning, no issue. So you can see sales group and admin group. Okay, so let's see. First we will connect with, I will connect with admin group and provide username password. You can see it's connected. Okay, now let's check what IP address is taken. IP config. So you can see it's taken 10.1.1. So which pool I have created for admin group. So for admin group I have created pool 10.1.1. Okay, so it's taken IP address. Now try to ping our admin group, admin p server. Try to ping admin server. Okay, it's for. So now I will try to ping my admin server 10.10. I'm able to ping. So if I able to ping sales server, then I'm not. Okay, let's connect to sales group. Let's connect here. Connect. Connect anyway. I will connect with sales group. Now username password. Provide username password. Sales. Now it's connecting. Connected. Now let's check What IP pool is taken? Is taken 20.1.1. Okay. Now try to ping our sales server 20.10. I'm able to ping sales server. Now try to ping admin server. There is not ping. Okay. So friends, in this video you have seen how to configure remote access VPN in Cisco ASA Firewall. So friends, you have seen I'm able to access admin server and sales server from user PC with two different tunnel group, admin and sales. So friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.